Have you ever wondered which ornamental shrubs bloom in each season? Ornamental shrubs are the unsung heroes of garden aesthetics, bringing year-round beauty. Today, we'll explore one captivating shrub for each season. Stay tuned to find out which shrub blooms in each season. When spring awakens, so does the vibrant forsythia. This deciduous shrub springs to life, draped in a cascade of bright yellow bell-shaped flowers. A symbol of spring's renewal, forsythia's radiant display is a garden's delight. Forsythia's golden blooms are sure to bring a springtime smile to any garden. As summer rolls in, hydrangeas take the stage. These ornamental shrubs boast a broad color palette, from delicate pinks to deep blues. Thriving in the summer heat, hydrangeas offer large, lush blooms. With their large, lush blooms, hydrangeas can make any summer garden pop with color. Autumn brings with it the fiery brilliance of the burning bush. This vibrant shrub transforms into a fiery spectacle, its leaves turning a radiant red. Its dramatic color and unique silhouette add an unparalleled touch of drama to any landscape. The burning bush with its vibrant red leaves perfectly encapsulates the spirit of autumn. Winter might be cold, but the holly shrub brings warmth to any garden. Its evergreen leaves persist, defying the snow, while bright red berries punctuate the wintry landscape with splashes of vibrant color. The holly's enduring green and festive berries keep the garden lively even in the heart of winter. In every season, there's a shrub that shines. From the spring's forsythia to the summer's hydrangea, the autumn's burning bush, and the winter's holly, each brings a unique beauty to our gardens all year round. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.